Chapter 7-6, using right triangles to find the slope of a line. Welcome back, everybody. I think there's only one problem in this section, one example problem anyways. Okay, so right triangles A, B, and C and D, E, F are drawn to measure the slope of the line. Okay, and then we've got to find the run, find the rise, find the slope of A, B, and C, and then D, E, and F. So this is going to be really easy, you guys. They want us to do A, B, and C first. So A, B, C is here. That's the triangle they're talking about. And we're going to do the rise over the run. So the rise is starting down here and it's moving on up to here. So we can see that that is rising by 10. So the rise is 10, and the run is the horizontal movement, so it's going from a 1 to a 9. So if it's starting at 1 and going all the way to a 9, it is moving by 8, so the run is 8. Now the slope is the rise, which is 10, over the run, which is 8. We can leave that as a fraction. Let's go ahead and simplify that. 10 divided by 2 is going to give me a 5, and 4 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2 is going to give me a 4. So the slope is 5 over 4. Okay, let's go ahead and look at triangle DEF. So DEF. And we're going to go ahead and do, I like to do the rise first, you guys. So we're moving up from a 15, and we're going all the way up to the 20. So the rise is, going up to the 20 right there. So 15 to 20 gives me a 5. The rise is going to be a 5. And then the run is going to go from right here over to here, and that's going to be a 4. So we've got the rise, which is 5, the run, which is 4. Over here we had a rise, which is 10, and a run, which was 8. And then the slope was 10 over 8, and that reduced to 5 over 4. Here the slope's already simplified. The rise over the run is 5 over 4. Okay, so the next part of this question that you guys can't see is part C. And they want to know, is the slope the same? Of course it's the same, and the reason that the slope is the same, really, is because you're finding the slope of this line right here. So it doesn't matter if you're checking a point down here with this point here, or this point D with this point F. Obviously it's got to be the exact same slope. Now this particular problem says why is it the same slope? And it's the same slope not because these triangles are congruent. They're not congruent. That means the exact same size and shape. It's because they're similar. Okay, so down below you are going to say yes, it's the same slope, and it's because these are similar triangles. That's it for the section. Really easy. Good luck in the homework, guys.